Dexter! Come here, Dexter! Oh, you'll have to put that away. I'll do it. Get him! Get him, Dilly! Hi, Dexter. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Jesus. Dylan. Dexter. Hi, Dexter. Get Dylan. Get him.
Alright, come here. Let's go sit over here.
Go get him.
You seem to be less scared when you're laying down. So let's lay down. Let's lay down. Get up!
Aww. So cute.
Oh.
This is why we need a dog.
Go.